Hi my people, how on a day? Hope you are all doing well. So guys, today we are going to do different style. So you can see what I put inside. This is the bangle I put inside. So if you have the one that is not big like this, you can still use it. You know this one is big, as you can see, it's big. So you place it on your head. As I'm placing it, I'm trying to adjust it to the front. Then we lay the scarf to the back like this. Use it to cover the back. After using it to cover the back, I'm arranging it the way I want it to be. If you want your own these bangles to be at the center, just try to fix it the way you want it to be. Then you cross your hand like this. The scarf at the back, you cross it, bring it to the front. Then use your left hand one. I think this one I'm turning to the back like this. Use it to bring it to the other side. Then started twisted it. I started twisted it. Guys, please and please help me share my video. Help me share my video. Please, I'm begging you guys. Please. And if today is the first time you are seeing my video, please don't forget to share. Please and please, I'm begging you. Help me share. So now I will soak it in that place. Remember that you don't soak the two and one is there, and I took the second one and did not remove it finish. So I just remove little. You can see remove little like this. Then the short hand and the long one started twisted the two together. That is what I'm doing. I started twisted it together like this. Then take it to the back, soak it, soak the hand, the remaining hand, soak it to the back. Then we're going to spread. I'm going to spread this one I'm holding. I'm going to spread it. So guys, please once again help me share my video. I'm begging. Share this video. Let other benefit from it. Please share it. Share it. So this is how I'm going to spread it. You can use any fabric. Yeah, you can use any fabric. You can use Ankara. Any fabric you feel like using, you can use it. So guys, see what we get. So see you guys in my next